welcome to this week's edition of Parking Network News. Smart parking leader IPS Group recently launched its next-generation data management system, a redesigned, feature-rich back-office system that helps customers better manage and interpret their smart parking data. Built for the future of big data, the redesigned DMS offers the same functionalities of the legacy system, but provides enhanced modules, data intelligence, and intuitive user interface design. MSR-Traffic was charged with the delivery and installation of a new parking guidance system in the market town of Lappersdorf, well known for its fire service college even outside the region. MSR-Traffic's role included coordination of subcontractor services, replacement of signage, road safety management, and integration of existing parking data to the new software from MSR. Hub Parking and Nedap are helping the Salalah airport offer a smooth traffic flow. To reduce the traffic congestion at the drop-off and pickup area for visitors, Nedap's long-range vehicle identification system was integrated by Hub Parking, increasing the safety of the area and at the same time allowing authorized taxi and hotel drivers to easily shuttle through. European online parking reservation leader ParkCloud has further strengthened its presence within the Italian market by securing a contract renewal with Torino Airport following a successful 18-month term. The deal was originally made in mid-2016, and the contract has now been renewed for further 12 months, offering passengers the option to pre-book online for both its covered and uncovered car parks. Innova Systems Group recently installed its automatic license plate recognition technology for vehicle access control at the IKEA store in Madrid. The growth of the Swedish multinational IKEA has required the implementation of an effective access control system for its restricted loading and unloading areas, as well as for workers' vehicles. The installation has been a success thanks to its high reliability. The nominees for the Intertraffic Amsterdam Innovation Award 2018 have been announced. Go to parking-net.com for the full list of nominees. Talking about events, next week the Parking Network team will be at the Connected Driver and Smart Mobility Conference in Brussels. We are also looking forward to this year's Intertraffic Amsterdam from March 20th to the 23rd at the Ride Convention Center. After that, we are off to the US for Parking Today's Parking Industry Exhibition in Chicago, which will take place from March 26th to the 29th. For more information, visit the Events tab at parking-net.com. That's it for this week's Parking Network News. Tune in next week for another episode. In the meantime, please check out our website and follow us on social media to stay up to date with the latest developments in the parking industry. I'm Caroline Molina. See you next time.